Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be talking about Tropical Storm Sam. Yes, Sam has formed an area of interest near Africa, and surprisingly another wave near Bermuda, and the remnants of Odette is still going at 60% chance, and Invest 98E does not look as good. I told you that wasn't going to form, and I knew it wasn't going to form anyway because there's strong wind shears in the Atlantic anyway. No, that's in the Pacific anyway because of the La Nina. But this has got a whopping 30% chance of formation, which is still really good. This has got a whopping 60% chance, and also, what it's also got a whopping 20. This one has also got a 20% chance, a 10% chance. So that's just a fairly new disturbance that has been designated by the National Hurricane Center, and yeah, so the Central Pacific. They have actually marked a wave in the Central Pacific. But they are actually giving it a 10% chance of formation. Wow, if this is not going to form. But if this did form, then honestly, I don't think this will form. This won't form. If this forms into a system now, I'll be shocked. Because we haven't had Hone for 2 whole consecutive years. So, yeah. Anyway, the tropics are getting active. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, and the remnants of Odette. So 4 systems out there right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sam's cone of uncertainty. They've actually upped it to 50 miles per hour. And it's actually meant to become a major hurricane very soon, actually. At least on Saturday, it's meant to become a major hurricane. So, watch out for that. I'll be at my nan's on Saturday. As soon as it becomes a major hurricane, I will let you guys know. Obviously, Sunday as well, I'll also let you guys know. But this will be starting its rapid intensification phase. So I think it'll probably be stalling here and then moving towards the north. I don't really know. It could move anywhere, but the most likely track is probably it's going to take north like that. Do what Larry did, to be honest. Or it could actually move more west and then do that. And impact the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, and the Dominican Republic, and the Bahamas, and then curve out to the sea and hit North Carolina. So it could do that, you know. Or it could just be a normal cone. So it is 50 miles an hour now, so I honestly think it's a lot stronger. I think it's a category. I think it's a tropical storm still, but I think it's probably 5 miles an hour stronger. But so that, guys, been busy today at school, so yeah. Well, show some imagery. Tropical Storm 18. Remnants of Odette. Doesn't look as good. But tropical depression 8. I'll show you this, and I'll quickly show the models, and I'm gonna go and put my chickens away, guys. Yes, I've got chickens. As you can see, it's trying to form an eye. Have a look in satellite imagery. I'll get my pen out ready. Change colour to green. Here, look. Right there. Right there. Right there. See that eye structure? Now we don't know if it's an eye trying to open, or it could be dry air. We're not quite sure. It's probably most likely be an eye. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna have to have a look proper on Dvorak when I end this video. I'll keep you up to date though with this video. No, it is system. Yeah, that does look like an eye feature. Water vapor. What does water vapor see it? There's literally no dry air around the system right now. The system's in a very variable environment. Yep, this is completely Dvorak. Yep, Dvorak suggests it's an eye. Yep, Dvorak suggests it's an eye. So does visible. Yep. I think it might be an eye structure, guys. I'm not quite sure, but it could be an eye structure. As you can see, the La Nina is pronounced. As you can see, look at this La Nina now. Very pronounced in this area, which is making the Atlantic conducive for tropical waves to come off. Now, in a La Nina season, any wave can form anywhere in this region. In the MDR, can form anywhere in this region. Here. Obviously not on the Pacific side, because on the Pacific side, they can only form near the coast. Because the La Nina does take a toll on the whole sea surface temperatures in the Pacific. There's barely any warm water in the Pacific. There's only the warm water here. But where that tropical wave is here, it's in cooler sea surface temperatures. So it's not... but Tropical Depression 20W and 21W has actually formed today. I will show you JTWC. Yes. Tropical Storm 20W Daimuna and Tropical Storm 20, which is Minnow or whatever. I forgot what it's called. But as you can see, it has made landfall. As you can see. So we're talking about this one. But Manuel, this could become a big system. As you can see, here is the cone. The cone. Now, the reason why you're probably thinking, oh, well, why is the cone big on this side here? Well, because the reason why the cone gets bigger here is because it could track out anywhere near the cone. It could track out. It could go towards the Philippines. It could go towards Japan and curve out towards the sea. It could go straight on and hit Japan and North Korea. Or it could just go straight north like this and not really impact anyone apart from up here. Well, it will impact someone over here. It won't impact these islands. Or it could, just go north like that and then do a hard southwest turn and hit Taiwan and then the Philippines. Well, that's highly unlikely. Or it could take this track, do a southwards jog and then a northwards jog like that. That is possible, but it's not. So yeah, I'll show the models. Tropical to bits, 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 tropical to bits. So I'll show the forecast models. We do have the La Nina, which is trying its hardest to come back. And other sorry guys. I'll show you the thingy quickly, guys. So you can see we're under the strong storm. The Pacific does have another major hurricane. So yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my friend JJ Plays. Go into my subscription and you should find his channel there. Go and support him on Instagram and Facebook. And follow me on Discord. Join my Discord server. I'll leave a link down in the description. I know I keep saying, but I keep forgetting how to keep leaving the link. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you on the next video. Peace and have a good day. Bye. Peace.